Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to see 11th standard statistics, standard deviation. Our topic is now standard deviation. In standard deviation we are having two types of data. One is ungrouped data, another is group data. Right. So now let's we see the ungrouped data. What's ungrouped data? We are having two methods. One is actual mean method. Formula is sigma equal to root of sigma d square by n, where d equal to x minus x bar. X bar, you know that it's a mean. Okay, that's the thing. Assume mean method is there. Here is the formula is sigma equal to root of sigma d square by n minus sigma d by n the whole square, and the formula is x minus a. So a is here assumed mean. Assumed mean we can write. Okay, so this is coming in ungrouped data. Now come to group data. Group data we are having two things, discrete and continuous. Discrete is what? Sigma square root of sigma f d square by n minus sigma f d by n the whole square. Here x minus a bar, a is assumed mean here. Similarly continuous, same thing, sigma equal to square root of sigma f d square by n minus sigma f d by n the whole square into c is there. So where d is given here, x minus a by c, a is as you know assumed mean here, and c is the class size or class width we can say. So that's the thing we have to keep it in mind. Okay, these are the two things we are having, group data and group data. Ungrouped data actual mean and then assumed mean is there. Okay, group data discrete type and continuous type. This is the thing we are having to find. Okay, now let's we go to the problems here. The first problem example we'll see here, 6.5. What the 6.5 is saying, the following data gives the number of books taken in a school library in 7 days. Find the standard deviation of the book taken. What's the data now? 7, 9, 12, 15, 5, 4 and then 11 is there. So now we need to find the standard deviation. As you know, this is what it's a raw data, ungrouped data, because there is no grouping here. So first what we need to find, we need to find mean. We need to find mean, x bar, that is summation xi by n, that we need to do here. What is the summation xi now? You just add it. So 7 plus 9 plus 12 plus 15 plus 5 plus 4 plus 11 divided by how many data are 2, 4, 6, 7 is there. So here 2, 4, 6, 7. So divided by 7 will do. Okay, let me add these data now. I'm using calculator. In you also you can use calculator, not an issue at all. So here what is there? 7 plus 9 plus 12 plus 15 plus 5 plus 4 plus 11. Somewhere I have made mistake here. It's 12 plus 15. So that it's coming, what is 63 is coming. So therefore we are having 63 divided by 7. So 63 answer we are getting. If we are dividing by 7, we are getting 9. So it's 9. So what the value of this x bar is here? 9. That's the thing you keep it in mind. Okay. After finding this one, we need to find a table. What's the formula we are having? Sigma equals to square root of sigma d square by n, that is the formula. Okay, so capital N, small n, whatever you can write, sigma. So square root of n is here 7, so divided by 7. So only the thing is sigma d square. So what's the d also we have given? D is xi minus x bar we are doing, xi minus x bar. So that we need to find here a table. So first we'll write here x here. What the x? The data 7, 9, 12, then we have 15, 5, 4 and then 11. This is the value we have written. This is x we are getting. After this one we need to get what? D. D is what here? D is nothing but xi minus x bar. X bar value what you got? 9. So here I am writing 9. So 7 minus 9 minus 2, 9 minus 9 0, 12 minus 9 what we are getting? 3, 15 minus 9 6 we are getting, 5 minus 9 minus 4 we are getting, 4 minus 9 we are getting minus 5, 11 minus 9 we are getting 2 we are getting. So we got this value. Okay, so now after that one what we need, d square we need to do. Square it, minus into minus plus, 2 2s are 4, 0, 3 3s are 9, 6 6 are 36, 4 4s are 16, minus into minus plus, plus 16 minus into minus plus, 5 5s are 25, 4 4s are 24 we are getting. Now sigma d square, the value we need to calculate here. So we need to, again we need to add. So you can see 4 plus 36 is 40, and then 16 plus 4 is 20, 40 plus 20 60, and this is 40 plus 20 60, 60 plus 25 is 85, 85 plus 9 is 94 we are getting. We are getting 94. Now this value we are going to substitute here, 94 I am writing. So sigma is 94. Now again we are doing what? 94 divided by, what's the value? 7. So 7 I am taking. So I will get what we are getting, sigma equals to square root of 13.4. You can see here 13.4285 is that you can write 4286 I am writing, because here 8 sorry, just you can see here 13.42857 is there. 7 round it and 6, that's why I have written 6 here. Okay, and then I need to take a square root of this one. So that is what I am going to do here now. So 13.4286. For that one I am going to take a square root. If I have to do here. So just a minute, I will erase here. I will write here. I am taking. So what we are getting, 3.664. So you write 3.66. That's the thing of sigma here. So standard deviation is this one. Okay, that you can take here. Is that clear? So in this way we need to calculate this problem. Okay, let's see. Are you following? Next we will to the next problem. Here it is, what is that? You can say example 6.6. White of your children admitted in a hospital is given below, and calculate the standard deviation of weight of children's. The data is given. Okay, so we need to find now. Here again the same process we are going to do. We need to find mean here. Actual mean we can write. So mean is nothing but, now we will find the mean here. So 13 plus 15 plus 12 plus 19 plus 10.5 plus 11.3 plus then 13 plus 15 plus 12 plus 9 entirely divided by, count the datas now, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 is that. So divided by, we are going to do with the 10. So now we will add these datas. So how I will add now, you can see here. So 13 plus 15 plus 12 plus 19 plus 10.5 plus 11.3 plus 13 plus 15 plus 12 plus 9. So we are getting 129.8. So here 129.8 divided by 10 is that. When it's coming 10, we can just shift the decimal. If I'm shifting, what we are getting, 12.98 from here to here, only 1 0, that's why. So here this is x bar. Okay, so now as usual, what's the formula? Sigma equal to square root of summation d square by n. This is a formula for finding mean, isn't it or not? So now as usual we will do x value. What's the x value we are getting? I am writing 13, 15, 12, 19, 10.5, 11.3. So 13 again, what's that? 13, 15, 12, 9. So this is the data. So I will write as such. Okay, so now we will do one. What's the d value? That is xi minus x bar. X bar is here how much we are getting? 12.98 x bar. So now you just subtract it. 13 minus 12.8. So it will be create a complicated. That's why I'm using calculator here. You can see here. So 13 minus what is 12.98. What you are getting? 0.02. Okay. Simultaneously I'm squaring. Okay, here we need to write d square, no? So that's why into 0.02 you are doing now. What here? 0.004. This is the value we are getting. Next, 15 minus 12.98. What you are getting? 2.02. What you are getting? 2.02. Now I multiply 2.02. What I am getting? 4.0804 we are getting. Next one, 12 minus 12. 12 minus this now, minus 9.98. 0.98. So therefore I am again 0.98 into 0.98 I will do. So what I am getting? 0.9604 we are getting. Okay. So now next what is that? 19. So 19 minus 12.98. We are getting 6.02. So again I am multiplying 6.2. Again I am multiplying 6.02. If I multiply, what I am getting? 36.2404. Okay. Next one, what's the value? 10. So 10.5 minus 12.98. We are getting minus 2.48. Okay, so I am multiplying, again multiply by 2.48. So minus won't come because minus into minus I should do. So 6.1504. So this is the value we are getting. Next is 11 point. So 11.3 minus 12.98 because x bar is 12.9. So here minus 1.68 is there. Again multiply by multiply by 1.68 I will do. What you are getting? 2.8224. Minus you leave it because minus into minus plus will come. So that's the value. Next 13. So next value is 13 minus 12.98. We are doing now what you are getting? 0.02. 0.02. 13 minus this one. Okay. So this you are taking now 0.02. Square it now, what will come? The same value will come. So 0.0004 will come. Next one 15. So 15 minus, I am writing here, 15 minus 12.98. So 2.02. Again here will come 2.02. So that value also I have calculated. So 4.0804 will come. And again 12 minus 12 now minus 0.98. Again here it is there. So therefore 0.9604 will come. Here 9. So final 9 minus 12.98. If I am doing 3.98 is coming. So minus 3.98. I have to multiply again the same into 3.98 I will get. So we are getting 15.8006. So 15.8006 I am getting. So that's the value we are getting. Now I have to add all this data. So let me check this one. What is 0.004? First one. Next one plus 4.0804. Next 0.9604. Next one plus 36.2404. Okay. Next one 6.1504. I have missed here to 36.2404 and here plus 6. Here will come 6.1504. Next I am getting plus 2.8224. 2.8224. Okay. Then plus 0.0004. Next plus 4.0804. Now next one plus 0.9604 and plus 15.8006 we are getting. So we are getting 71.136, 70. So let me check one more time. Somewhere first is 0.004. This is over. Next one is 4.08. This is over. Next one 9.9640. This is correct. Then 36.2404. 2404. The next one 6.1504. Next one 2.8224. The next one 0.004. Correct. The next one 4.0804. The 9604. The next 15.8006. So that's the correct things we got it now. So the value of this one will write here. So small correction I have done here. Here 15.8404. 15.8404 it's coming. This is the correct value. If you total it now, we are getting 71.136. Now you just substitute in this data. So what sigma equals to square root of summation d square root is 71.136 divided by 10 here n. So therefore here will come sigma equals to square root of 7.1136 will come, because 10 we are dividing. Now we need to take square root. So square root of what you are getting? Square root of 7.1136 we are getting. So what the value we get? 2.6671 it's coming. So that is your standard deviation. You can round it off this one now. Your book back answer will come. This is a standard deviation of this problem. Is it clear? Now we can see the last problem and this problem we have lot of confusion. Why now? Here decimal point is coming. You have to do square. It will be create a problem, isn't it or not? So previously you can see table is so simple. Just squaring and multiplying a small number. Now easily we got it. Solid number division also it's good. Since we are using calculator, not an issue. Here also same thing. But here mean is coming in decimal. So everything goes what? Decimal. We little bit find difficulty to do this one. To avoid this one only, we are not going to do what? Actual mean. We will go assume mean. Rather than we are doing this type of the things, we will do to avoid the decimal part, we will use assume mean method. Now we will see this example 6.7. What is that one? Find the standard deviation. Find the standard deviation of the first n natural numbers. This question already we are done in 10th standard itself. First n natural number means what? So data will be 1, 2, 3. It will goes up to n. So this is our data. Okay, data. So for this one, what we need to find? Standard deviation. See here, we need to find first sigma xi. Sigma xi na 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus what we have to do? N. So that is nothing but we know the formula. N into n plus 1 by 2. That's a formula for sigma. And then next square now. Sigma xi square now. What's the formula? 1 square plus 2 square plus so on plus n square. What's the formula we are having? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. This is the formula we know. In 10th standard, this problem itself we did. Now we are doing this one. So this is the formula. Okay. So now what we are going to do? Mean we need to do now. Mean equals to what? X bar. X bar is what we are getting. Summation xi by n. This is right. Here summation x is what? N into n plus 1 by 2. Here divided by n, here will come. So that is mean here. And then next one, sigma xi square by n. That is nothing but what we are having. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 is this formula. Sigma x. Now divided by n we are having. So this n get cancelled. Now what we are getting here? N plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 will come. This is the formula. Okay. Now standard deviation sigma formula is what? Square root of sigma di square is that. Here xi square by n minus sigma xi by n the whole square. This is a formula. There actually we are doing, I will show this one if it is your, see here, sigma fd square by n minus sigma fd by n the whole square. Here f is not that, that's why d square by n di, instead of di here we are writing xi. That's the thing, because we are not having a finite, no, that's why we are doing this one. So this value what is then, sigma xi by n is this one, sigma xi by the whole square by n is this value. So this value we am writing here n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 we are writing, minus square, this one is this one, so n into n plus 1 by 2n the whole square, inside this things one, that's why we are substituting and squaring. So now you can see here, square it now, what will come, n plus 1 2n plus 1 by 6 minus here n square, n plus 1 whole square divided 2 to the 4, n square will come. This is the things we are having in this case. Okay. So here also you can see here, this n and this n cancel, now what we are getting, n plus 1 by 2 will come. So better this n and this n cancel, now n square this and this will get cancelled, by 4 only will come. So now what is the thing is common that you will take, n plus 1 common. First you take an LCM, so 12 now by 2, 2. Here 4 3s are 12, here 3 will come. So therefore what will come here now, 2 into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 minus 3 into n plus 1 the whole square divided by 12 will come only, and square root will come. Okay. So now what's the common things that we can pick it up here. So what we are getting n plus 1 commonly you take, divided by 12 commonly you took. Now what's the left here, 2 into 2n 4n, 2 1s are 2, minus 3 into n minus 3n, minus 3 into 1 minus 3 will come. Okay, so therefore here square root of what will come, n plus 1 will come. Here 4n minus 3n, n, 2 minus 3 minus 1 divided by 12 will come. So here, so we are getting here a plus b into here, a plus b into a minus b. What is the formula we are getting? Square root of n square minus 1 by 12 will come. That is your sigma value for n natural number. Okay, there is a one more question. They will give this type of question and they will ask you to do that one. So do in this way. Okay, I hope you understand. Please follow this problem and complete it. Inshallah, we will see in next class. Thank you.